So here is the front of our Super Better combo. We overbuilt this combo unit frame. It has a 4x6 front tubing matching with the 4x2 on the top. On the bottom is our moldboard plows. They're lined with greater blade to ensure durability and longevity of the machine. Over on the side we have our 2 1/4 toolbars where you can hook different types of accessories, drip stands, ground tillage equipment, gas knife fumigation. Moving back after the moldboard plows, you have the press pans. We build each press pan to your custom spec and build whatever size you need. The groove cutters are located right on the back of the press pan. They're going to cut a 3-inch groove in the soil for plastic to be tucked into. On top, moving to our plastic, we have 2 rollers, so you can fit 2 spools of plastic on each row. Now these rollers are galvanized to ensure longevity, and that plastic is not going to stick to these rollers. After the roll of plastic, you're going to have your stretch tires. These stretch tires are directly going to push that plastic into the cup. Right after the cup, you're going to have the hiller discs, and that's going to fill in the soil, tucking that plastic bed. You have 3 seats here for riders, and they're going to kind of ensure the entire operation is going smoothly. They can also adjust plastic, drip tape, and change out spools on the fly. This is a 3-row unit, but we also build 1 row, 2 row, up to 6 row, whatever really you need. We're a custom fab shop. Now we also sell and manufacture these Super Betters and plastic layers independently. A lot of our hemp growers have been utilizing the fact that the combination unit is here because they can perform 3 functions at once, saving a lot of labor. Now, if you have any questions, please visit us at KencoMFG.com or give us a call to find out more.